Hi, this is Tony Grant from Feed Me Leads. We spoke on the phone, and told you I would send you this screencast. So here it is. I'm going to keep it short and sweet. I just want to go over how I would get your site ranked. I sent out screencasts with a bunch of free information. So if you find it worthwhile, then give us a call. We can be reached at Devour, Devour, at feedmeleads.org. Okay, I just want to go through your site really quickly, and I'm going to go through one of your competitors' sites. Then I'm actually going to give you 3 ways that you can use today for free to start bringing in more traffic to your site. So here I am at your home page. Um, Good-looking site. Plenty of time and money, obviously, have been spent. It's easy to navigate. Does not have a lot of content, though. Content is what the words, just the number of words, verbiage. Um, Google is going to be ranking your website based on around 200 different factors. One of those key factors is going to be content. You want to have a minimum of 1,000 to 1,500 words on this homepage. I had to do a word count, and you guys are at 778 words. So we would definitely want to add in some more content on here. We also want to make sure that the content is quality educational content. Google's going to send out their bots, crawl through your site, and determine whether or not the content on there will help Google's users. And so over here, I popped onto Google, and we can see that the keyword that I'm using is car wraps Sacramento. Just a very generic. You can use any number of, probably dozens or hundreds of keywords, and we'll go through that if we connect with you guys. That's an art in itself. Up here at the top, above the map, is where you typically will see in Google Ads, and this can be very effective. Can be expensive if not done correctly, but pack quite a wallop short term. Or you can use that in conjunction with your SEO, which is a little bit slower. It takes a while for companies to connect, but it's much more long term, and builds your brand, does all kinds of good stuff. But now here below, we see in the maps there are three red things here, and we have down below 3 companies that have been chosen by Google to be represented on these maps. So they have a variety of techniques to use for that, but one of those very important criteria to use is citations. A citation is when you have your business listed on an online directory. So Yelp, Yellow Pages, and Yext are all good examples of online directories people use and trust a lot. You want to be on more directories than these 3 businesses are here. So I'll scroll down here. We'll come to what's called the organic search results pages. This should be your main area of focus. It's going to be your best long-term ROI. Google has actually come out and said that over 70% of people, when they type something into the search bar, they're going to click on one of these organic results, and they're almost always going to click on one of the first few. So I'm going to go ahead and go to this first company that appears here, not a directory or whatever, but Sacramento Vehicle Wraps Home. Here's their site. You'll notice that they are also very beautiful. They do a good job, and they're very good work, very visual. Unfortunately, that's not the way Google works. Google works with their algorithms, kind of a one-size-fits-all thing. And what we have to have is increase the word verbiage and the word count, and increase all kinds of things. I'm going to go over here to, we could go to reference links. We could go to all those kinds of things, but I'm going to go over here and check out their backlinks. We have this page here. It checks out their backlinks. It's from Refs. Very, very good tool. And we notice here that they have a 0 domain rating. That's 0 out of 100. So they have over here in the backlinks, they have 76 backlinks, which is more than 0. But look at who they're from. Sacramento Vehicle Wraps, which is their company. These are all from themselves. And you also notice that they start right here with a no follow. No follow means that you can't take the link and own it, that you have to go to their site and click the link from their site. So that doesn't count much for you, and probably is the reason why they go to have a domain rating of 0. So we can easily beat these guys, catch up to and beat these guys pretty easily, I think. Okay, we're going to go ahead and check on your site now. This is for Everywrap, and you have 9 domain ratings. So 9 is a lot better than 0, but it's still out of 100. You have 13 backlinks only, and they're all from. I don't know if they're all from. They're all the ones here in the front are Everywrap, and you even start in with a no follow from your own site. So yeah, there's room for improvement here, and it's it's an opportunity. So all right, so I'd like to recap here and recap what we've covered about here. So there are many topics we've not covered, as you can imagine. Number 1, add more content and make sure it has location-specific buyer intent keywords that bring a lot of traffic. Number 2, more citations that get you ranked on the map pack. And 3, more high-powered relevant backlinks. If you're interested, you can reach us at Devour, DEVOUR, at feedmeleads.org. Thanks very much.